Hello, in this video I'm going to introduce the Corpus of English Language videos and show you some of the things you can do with this corpus. The Corpus of English Language videos, or CELV, is an online corpus tool for linguistic queries. It is similar to other online corpus tools you may know. Currently, the sample has over 4 million words and many functionalities found in this kind of tool. What is special about CELV is it was compiled using YouTube video subtitles. This means that all texts contained in the sample come from YouTube videos, which can be accessed from the corpus. Only subtitles written manually by YouTube channel owners were used, not the ones produced automatically by YouTube. To ensure that the sample has some variety of texts, videos from different themes were selected, including cooking tutorials, TED Talks, vlogs, and many others. To start using CELV, navigate to celvonline.com. Currently, there is the main corpus and the World Englishes corpus. The main corpus contains the main sample of texts and includes video subtitles from Australia, Canada, the UK, and the USA. The World Englishes corpus contains a smaller but more varied sample from many different countries of the world, including non-native speakers of English. At the moment, this is a small sample which was compiled for future researches. Let's start exploring CELV using the main corpus, selecting the English language interface. Here you see a simple search interface similar to the one you would see in Google, for example. You can type any text in English in the search box to check it in the corpus. Let's look for the word language. Type language in the search box and click on search or press enter. You will see the word language listed. The number in parentheses shows the frequency of this word in CELV. In this case, the word language has 356 occurrences in the corpus. Click on the word language to open a list of concordance lines showing examples of that word. In this screen, you see information about each concordance line, the country where it came from, the genre of the video, the theme of the video, the YouTube channel who produced it, and the text itself centered on the search word. Notice that you can double-click on any concordance line to watch the original video. For instance, let's click on line number 7, which reads, "Who invented the German language anyway?"
No idea where that quote came from. Who invented the German language anyway?
As you can see, the video is incorporated in a new window and starts playing a few seconds before the moment when the speaker says the sentence we were interested in. You can control this delay by going back to the search interface and clicking on Show/Hide Advanced Options. You will then see the option Start Videos 2 seconds earlier, and you can adjust the amount of seconds, which is 2 by default. To demonstrate, let's change this value to 8 seconds and open that same video.
I am an optimist who can quote Alexander Pope. I am a pessimist and I have no idea where that quote came from. Who invented the German language anyway?
This time the video started 8 seconds before the sentence "Who invented the German language anyway?" Usually it is not necessary to adjust this option, but it is there in case you are interested in seeing more context from the video. You can click on Show/Hide Advanced Options again to hide this part of the interface if you wish. You will notice that this concordance list currently goes up to 20 concordance lines. You can change the amount of concordance lines to view more examples by adjusting the value in Max Videos. Let's change this value to 50 and generate the concordance list again by clicking on the word language one more time. We now have the same 20 examples from before, with 30 more for a total of 50. By default, this list is configured so you don't see more than one example from each video. For instance, in this list with the word language, all 50 lines come from different videos. You don't see repetitions of the word language in the same video. You can change this by adjusting the value in max hits per video. Let's change this value to 3 and click on language again to generate a new list. This new list has up to 3 instances of the word language in each video, so you have new examples to work with. You will also notice that the number of examples is now 103. This means that from the number of 50 videos which we configured previously, 103 total occurrences of the word language were found. Notice that the number in max videos, which we set to 50, multiplied by the number in max hits per video, which is set to 3, equals 150. However, this doesn't mean that you should expect to find 150 concordance lines, because some videos may contain less than 3 occurrences of the search word. In this case, as we saw previously, we have a total of 103 lines. To clean the screen and start a new search, you can click on the CELV logo on the top left of the screen. As you can see, resetting the screen changes all options back to their default values, so we are back to 20 max videos and 1 max hit per video. Now let's explore the filters we can add to our search. To do this, click on Show/Hide Advanced Options. You will see that your searches can be refined by a number of filters. The current sample contains 3 genres of videos you can choose from: how-to, talks, and vlogs. You can search in all 3 genres or choose a specific one. The sample also contains videos from 4 countries: Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, and United States. Finally, the sample contains a number of themes you can choose from. Notice that each theme is associated with a genre. There are how-to videos of 3 different themes: beauty and style, cooking, and music. There are talks of 3 different themes: environment and sustainability, politics and society, and science and technology. And there are vlogs of 3 different themes as well: general topics, scientific and educational, and travel. If you filter your search by a specific genre, you will see that selecting a genre limits the amount of themes available, because each theme is associated to a genre. If you click again on Search All, then all options of themes become available again. The buttons Mark/Unmark All and Invert Selection can help you quickly select the filters you are interested in. To demonstrate these filters, let's suppose we want to look at the pronunciation of a certain word in different countries. A common example of difference in pronunciation in the English language is the word water. Let's type water in the search box. Now let's watch and listen to examples of the pronunciation of this word from the United States.
One pound of fresh green beans. So we need to boil 2.5 quarts of water.
In the world, malnutrition is common and almost half of Ethiopians don't have access to clean water, which is probably
Let's compare this pronunciation with the United Kingdom by changing the country filter and repeating the search.
Water everywhere, and quite a lot in space. Convoy at the University of Twente have done just that. Their engine works by passing water into a minute chamber crossed by electrodes.
As you can see, the ability to watch and listen to each video from the corpus allows interesting comparisons and other types of linguistic studies. Now let's look at the channel filter. Our current concordance list contains a variety of channels to see examples from. But suppose you only want to see examples from the channel This is Genius. Type the name of the channel in the channel filter box. It must be typed exactly as it appears in the concordance list, including capitalization. You will notice that the filter will help you complete the name of the channel by showing it to you. Click on Search again and you will notice we have a much smaller number of occurrences of the word water now. That is because this search is limited to only one channel. By clicking on the word water, we can see examples from the channel This is Genius. One more thing you can do to help organize your concordance lines is to sort them. Let's sort our current concordance list by the first words to the right of the search word. To do so, click the first sort option and select R1, which means the first word to the right. Click on the word water again to generate a new list. This time, the list is sorted alphabetically by the first words to the right of water, starting with punctuation marks. You can add up to 3 sort options to further organize your concordances. Let's sort first by R1, then by R2, and then by R3. You will notice that each sort option corresponds to a different color in the concordance lines. This can be helpful for analyzing long lists of concordances in search for linguistic patterns. That's all for this video. We explored the main search functions of the CELV interface with simple searches containing only one word. To learn about how to do more complex searches, including the use of part-of-speech tags, lemmatization, and more, watch the other videos in this channel or navigate to the tutorial page in the CELV website. Thank you for watching.